In front of me is REALME 16 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to open Clock app that's already on your device and then click on those three dots at the top right corner. If Clock section is not on, make sure to tap on it at the bottom left corner. Either way, hit Settings here and adjust all of those options under Alarms however you wish, like ring duration. Then go back and to create new alarm, use plus icon at the bottom. Then set up an hour at the top and pick repeat option. Ring once. Weekdays, you can adjust each one. Scramble. Check out all of those options and adjust it to your liking. Or the most common one, custom. Just pick days of the week manually. Either way, after deciding your repeat option, you can adjust all of those. Tap on alarm name to label it. Hit ringtone over here to tap on allow, and then select one of those options, one of the system ringtones. Spotify, log in to use music from it. Weather, which is weather adaptive, it will change depending on the weather each morning. And on this device, which will allow you to pick any song from your smartphone and set it up. Now use this switcher next to vibrate to switch it off or turn it on. And finally, select snooze. Decide how many minutes it will take, how many times it will repeat, and even disable or enable it at the top. Finally, to save your brand new alarm, hit done at the top right corner. As you can see, mine is here. To edit it, click on it, make any changes and choose done again. To turn it on or switch it off, operate this switcher and pick whatever you wish from the pop-up. To get rid of it though, just hold it and hit delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!